Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage swipe on Yubo. So let's start. First, open the Yubo app. When the app is open, tap on your profile icon on top right corner. On your profile, tap on the settings icon on top right corner. And you'll see the option Manage Swipe. Tap on that. But before moving forward, let me tell you that Swipe is the Yubo's version of Tinder. Now if you want to hide your profile on Swipe, you can enable Hide from Swipe option. And if you enable this option, you cannot access Swipe on Yubo. Now disable it. Now tap on Preferred Gender. If you want to look for females, then select female. If you want to look for males, then select male. And if you're looking for people to make friends, then select everyone. Then go back. Then tap on age. You can select the age group you want to match with. You can also filter out location. If you want to prioritize your country's people, then select My Countries first and select the preferred distance from your location. And if you want to see people from your country, then select My Country only. And if you want to connect with people all around the world, then select All Around the World. And that is how you can manage Swipe on Yubo. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.